Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on pencil shading. There is two type of pencil strokes. One is bold and rigid, and other one which I am doing right now is much more smooth and soft. This one will blend easily without leaving any mark. To achieve this, both the end of the stroke has to be subtle and the pressure will be in the middle. This kind of strokes are little hard to implement, but once you have practiced and achieved the skill, you will understand the difference. For the entire project, I am not going to use any smudging stump or any other tool. Basically, the application of light determines the surface quality of the object. For different materials such as wood, leather, terracotta, metal, the light condition will be different. For metal, the highlight will be very distinct, and in case of leather and terracotta, the highlight will be much more subdued. To protect my drawing from smudging, I am using this tracing paper. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.